Alright, so we're going to start day 2. So this week we've been talking about how buildings are made, right? So we watched a video yesterday about a house being built. And I want to know, in the story that we just read, the sheep and the pig who set up house, because they've been a house too, didn't they? How did the animals build the house? What kind of tools did they use? Did you guys see a hammer and a saw and some of those things they used to build? And there was a character in the story that was a carpenter, right? And he built the furniture. So today we're going to read about a ship and how a ship is built. But before we do that, we're going to talk about some of our vocabulary words. And we heard these in the story too yesterday. So this word was contended. What did contended mean? It means that you were happy, right? If you were contented, you were happy. Intended. That means you plan on doing it, right? You plan on doing it. Marvelous. Marvelous. That's something special, right? Project. Project. It's something that you design, right? Or create. And a structure. What was a structure? It was a building, wasn't it? Alright, so do you feel contented after eating a delicious meal? Do you feel happy? I do. What do you intend to do this Saturday? Intend to do. Maybe play outside. Maybe if it's nice and warm outside. Alright, have you seen any marvelous movies? Marvelous. Remember, marvelous is special. Are there some marvelous movies out right now? One thing that I think is a marvelous movie, and it's been an older movie, was Frozen 2. I think Frozen 2 was marvelous. What projects have you worked on at home? You might be working on an art project or a baking project or some sort of fort. Something that you're working on at home. Which of these is a structure? A house or a flower? Right, a house, isn't it? Alright, we're going to read a story called The Joy of a Ship. Okay, and we're going to listen to it and we're going to read about how they build a ship. Now, before we do this story is a non-fiction. It's not fake. It's going to tell us about a real ship and how about real people. Okay? So it's giving us information. So it's an informational story too. Alright, remember I just told you what the genre was. What was it? It was non-fiction. So that means it's not fake. It's real, right? It's going to give us information. So our question is, how do things get built? So we're going to read about building a ship. Okay? Ships take people and things all over the world. How does a ship get made? Find out here. What kind of ship is this? This is a cruise ship, isn't it? Where's our title? Right, there's our title. Alright, we're going to keep reading. What is needed to build a ship? What's that sight word again? Build, very good. Making ships employs many workers. This task uses lots of tools and parts as well. Let's see how a ship is made, step by step. Like here's a caption. It says, these people study the plans for the ship. There are many things to do. Frame it. First, workers build a frame. The ship frame can balance, the word is balance, on blocks up above a dock. Huge cranes hoist the big parts in place so they do not fall. Workers must avoid being bumped by these big pieces of steel. So here's another caption that says some huge gantry cranes can lift 1,500 tons as high as 230 feet in the air. That's a huge crane. Has anybody seen a huge crane before? especially in tall buildings and cities. Sheets of steel. First, two kinds of metal are melted into steel. It boils. Hot steel flows into flat metal sheets and molds. When steel gets cold, it gets hard. The steel sheets are ready for making a ship. It says, stand back. The steel is very hot. A worker joins each steel section by heating the edges called joints. Most workers put on gloves and a helmet to protect their hands and head. So this guy's called a welder. He's welding them together. Check it, paint it. Workers check all the joints. Then they point out leaks and fix them. If a joint leaks, the inside of the ship will be moist with water. It might even sink. Then the ship is painted, and this job is done. It gleams in the sun. The workers knew it would look nice. People will pay a lot of money to ride on this ship. Out to sea. The people on the dock point with joy as the new ship begins the first trip. Those are the ship waves as it glides toward the open sea. Did you see them waving? They're waving. It says, did you know there are many kinds of ships on the sea? This is an icebreaker ship. Where do we find this kind of ship? Right near Antarctica where it's super cold, right? Or even by Alaska, it's cold there too. Aircraft carrier. Where would you see this one? This would be in the ocean, right, to protect us? A cargo ship. Where would we see this one at? This might be in the ocean too, coming across, right, from a different country, and they have huge cargoes. So a cause and effect. A cause is how or why something happens, and the effect is what happens. So think about, in the story, when the hot steel, the heat up the steel, gets cold, what happens? What's the effect? Right, the steel gets hard, right? Think about the worker who wears the helmet and gloves. He wears that. What's the effect? His hands and head are safe, right? It told us that, didn't it? Now, we talked about this, a joint. If a joint leaks on a ship, what's the effect? The ship gets moist, right? They use the word moist with water, and it might do what? It might sink. That's right. All right, so let's talk about this. Let's talk about the events that happened in the story. So what happened first in the story? Right, they talked about the different parts of the ship, right? And then they had all the parts together. What did they make next? They made a huge frame, right? And they used that crane. And then what happened? Right, they used the metal and the steel and heated it up to make what? What were those things called? Joints, right? And then they put the joints and they welded those together. And after that, what happened? They had to make sure to fix all the leaks, right, in the joints so that it didn't sink. And then what did they do? They painted it, didn't they? They painted it, and then it went out to sea. Very good. So that was the events that happened in the story. All right. How many sounds are in each word? Ready? Oil. Oil. How many sounds? 2. Let's do join. J, O, N. How many sounds? 3. Good job. Spoil. O, O. How many sounds? 4. Good job. The next one is joy. J, oi. How many sounds? Good job. Just 2 sounds. All right, so we have the diphthongs O-I and O-Y. That's how they're spelled, and they say what? Oi. Very good, like in oin and oyster. They say oi. Your turn to practice that sound. Oi. Good job. Let's do a few words. Ready? J, oi, n. Join. H, oi, n, t. Point. Oi, s. And that E is silent, isn't it? Has a soft C. So ois, voice. Oi, toy. Alright, now if I change the first sound, I have foil, and I take off the f and put a b. What's the B word? Boil. Good job. Because this one, boy, take off the first sound, the b, and put a j. What's the first sound? Joy. Good job. Alright, so we have the word spoil. We're only going to do 5 of these words. Are you ready? Spoil. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil. Coin. C-O-I-N. Coin. Join. J-O-I-N. Join. Joy. J-O-Y. Joy. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. We had the O-I and the O-Y, and what did they say? Boy. Good job. Alright, let's practice our sight words again. This is something today that you could do. You could practice writing them on your whiteboard. I'm going to practice writing them. Alright, the first word was, alright, what was that word? That word was above. Above. So let's write it. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Above. Alright, what's this next sight word right here? New. New. I knew my shoe was by the door. New. You practice writing it. Very good. Alright, this next word, what is this word? Build. I will build a car out of Legos. Build. Very good. Build. Then we have money. Money. What was that word again? Money. Good job. You're writing money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Okay, what was this next word? What was that word? Fall. Good job. F-A-L-L. Fall. Fall. Very good. Okay, last word. Toward. Toward. Very good. T-O-W-A-R-D. Toward. The dog walked toward me. Toward. Alright, don't forget to make sure you practice those sight words today. Alright, let's see if we could fill in the missing word. Alright, I walked blank the school. I walked toward the school. Very good. So toward would go there. T-O-W-A-R-D. Toward. Next one. The sun is blank the clouds. The sun is, we have above, new, build, money, and fall. The sun is above the clouds. Good job. Above. He blanked how to make a pie. We have new, build, money, and fall. He knew how to make a pie. Can you blank a house out of stone? Can you blank a house out of stones? Can you build a house out of stones? Very good. So we have money and fall. Don't blank in that hole. Don't fall in that hole. Very good. And last one. I saved all my money to buy a pet frog. Very good, first graders. Don't forget to make sure you do everything on your whiteboard.